Alrighty, howdy, how we doing today? I have a Burke's ham here. It says hickory smoked. Now, I don't know about you, but my hickory smoke actually comes from a smoker. Their hickory smoke is probably a spray-on of things I can't even pronounce. I want to do is I want to take this and I want to kick it up 10 notches. Alright, so I pulled it out of the plastic here. I drained the water out of it already because there's a lot of water in there. Salt, like I said, other preservatives I can't even pronounce. What I want to do first is I want to take off this outer layer, get as much of this off as I can because I want a clean surface to be able to put my seasoning on there. So, take a little bit of time, just peel this off, keep it as close as you can to the meat so you don't lose too much meat. Alright, so we are back. I said I got the skin off it. Guys, there was so much water that came off it and so much juice that I actually had to wipe down the table. There was so much juice. Don't throw those end pieces out. Mom had a really good idea. You can use those cuts for making it with scrambled eggs. You can even make like country bacon with it. Don't throw those pieces out. They're going to be great for something for breakfast. Alright, now that we got it all skinned off here, what I want to do is I want to put a mustard binder on there. Now, I have here Cosmos Dry Rub Honey Chipotle Killer Bee. I'll tell you what, you put this stuff on a bumper and it tastes great. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. Guys, check them out. They're really, really good. Alright, we'll get this on there. Grab a paper towel here. There's still water coming out of here, so you just want to try to keep your table as dry as you can, or a cutting board as dry as you can. And we'll rinse and repeat. I have my Pitbull smoker set for 275. I have the competition hardwood blend in there. So it's got the hickory, it's got the oak. Make sure you check me out on my Amazon page. I'll have a link for all these in the description below, along with the knives and everything I'm using. Today what I'm using is the Victorinox 8-inch. Great knife. Stays super, super sharp. And I'm going to put this on my smoker. What I went ahead and did is I went ahead and put a piece of aluminum foil over top of a rack because this is going to leak, and just trying to keep everything a little bit clean here. Alright, this is the flat side. I want the flat side down. What we'll do is we're going to put that right in there. Alrighty folks, we have been cooking that ham now for just a little under 2 hours, and I went ahead and put a stick of butter in a pan. I heated it up a little bit. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of honey. If it's going to be happy eats, you might as well make it happy. Mix it in there. And we're going to do this, we're going to use this as a topping. You guessed it, some more of that honey chipotle seasoning. Got that nice crust on it. It's going to be really good. Alright, when we come back, I'm going to go ahead and just paint the ham. You can leave that in there. Don't leave the plastic in there. You can leave that right in there just like that. And it's going to melt down, and it's going to make a beautiful crust on there. And guys, you don't have to worry about the temperature because that ham is already pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about the temperature. Alright, go ahead and shut our smoker off. Now I know you're all dying to cut into this, but you got to give it a little bit of time. You got to let it rest. We're going to go ahead and put a piece of aluminum foil on this. Let it rest. When we come back, we're going to slice into this bad boy and have a taste. Alright, so this has been resting for about 10 minutes now. And I'm just dying to break into this. Look at that nice caramelization that's on there. I mean, with that honey, brown sugar, let's taste this and see how we did. That Killer Bees from Cosmos came all the way through. You get that heat on the front end, and then you get that sweet savory on the back end from that honey and brown sugar. It is just really good. Take this, couple slices off it, pair this with some coleslaw, potato salad, macaroni salad, and you guys got yourselves a great, delicious dinner. And that ham, Mondo perfect. Mondo perfect. Alright folks, I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. How do you like your ham? Till next time, God bless and happy